What's up guys, Richstylez here. We're gonna be doing the skate, another house dance tutorial. All right, it's gonna be very simple. We're gonna break it down. First, we're gonna start off with a two-step. If you guys don't know what the two-step is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Next step. What is the next step? Next step, we're gonna add a little bit of the bounce, the groove and the jack. Here we go. So we're gonna go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Now, what makes the skate look like a skate is weight distribution and the smoothness of the movement. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're going to track the leg that's moving like it's on ice. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, a little tip here, you wanna have all of your weight on the opposite foot that's not moving, okay? 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next step, we're gonna add it all together. Oh, jeez. Yeah, it's hot. Next step, we're gonna add it all together. So we're gonna go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's try to speed it up and make it look smooth.